When you're working in a legal binder in Cleardox, preparing documents for a court case or for some other project, you might want to add a front page. I'm going to show you how to add a front page in Cleardox and also the customization options you have in here. So of course, I'm in legal binder mode. And then here on the left, I click Documents in Project, Add Page. Now I get this blank page where I can then fill in text and create maybe a template for future use. So all you see here, when I hover my mouse, I can add text fields and I can then write the text I want to be here and I can style it. So I have options to do bold, italics, or underlined. I can move the placement of the text and also decide the size, of course. I also have some options for font. So we have 3 different types you can choose in between. So there's Times New Roman, there's Arial, and there's Roboto. And if I change it, of course, it applies to whatever written on the front page already. So I'm quickly going to fill in some information for a front page so you can see what it looks like. So here is a front page example. And I just want to show you again, if I change the font, it looks like this. It applies to everything that's on the page already. But I have now created a headline for the front page and inserted a box where I can then put in the text that's needed on later. And I can add additional boxes if I need to, and I can then also delete them if I don't need them anymore. You can also add a header and footer, of course, on your front page. So when I hover the mouse up here, you can see that I can add pictures for logos, for instance, and then I can add text into the remaining fields. And the same goes for the footer. So I'm also just going to add some pictures, information here to show you what it looks like. All right, now I have also added a company logo, an address, and also something down in the footer. Up here, you also have the option to choose the font so that it can match whatever you have on the front page like this. Last option that you can actually do is that if you want a background picture for a front page, that's also possible. You can select a background image. When you click this, it will open your Finder. You can search through your PC to choose the image that you want to have as a background. And then, of course, I also told you can save the templates. You can do that through this button, but I actually have a separate article dedicated to creating templates in Cleardox, so you can watch that by finding the link in the article below. But yeah, that is how you can create and customize your front pages in Cleardox.